Don't download ActiveCampaign Enterprise Chrome Hub app before watching this. Before you download ActiveCampaign Enterprise Chrome Hub, here's what most teams miss. It's more than an email tool. At the enterprise level, ActiveCampaign offers advanced CRM, marketing automation, and analytics, but many businesses misuse it by skipping planning. Step 1. Define your sales and marketing processes. ActiveCampaign's power lies in automating workflows. Most people get this wrong by creating generic automations that don't match real customer journeys. Step 2. Segment your audience. Enterprise CRM allows detailed segmentation for personalized campaigns. The surprising truth is, ignoring segmentation reduces engagement and conversions. Step 3. Integrate with other tools. ActiveCampaign works best when connected to CAMs, e-commerce platforms, and analytics tools. Without integration, data remains siloed and insights are incomplete. Step 4. Monitor performance. Track opens, clicks, conversions, and pipeline progression. Teams that act on this data improve customer retention, increase revenue, and reduce churn. The upside? Properly implemented, ActiveCampaign Enterprise can increase campaign ROI by up to 30%, improve lead nurturing, and streamline enterprise sales and marketing. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can map processes, set up meaningful automations, and monitor results. For smaller teams, standard plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for practical advice to avoid costly enterprise CRM mistakes.